Hi. The most common reason that your tumble dryer would stop heating is one of the thermostats going open circuit. So in this video I'll be testing and changing the thermostats on a Creda T510VW, which is classed as a 5 kg vented tumble dryer. Before you start any work on a tumble dryer, first switch it off from the mains power and if possible remove the plug from the socket. Turn the machine around and remove the small dust cover from over the rear bearing housing. Then undo all the screws from around the heater cover. With this cover off, you now have access to the heater element, thermostat and fan. Providing you work on each thermostat separately, you shouldn't have any problems with the wiring. But if you're not sure, then you may want to take a photo of the thermostat and wiring connections. To check the thermostats, first remove at least one of the wires on each one, or you may get a false reading. Then check for continuity across both terminals. You should get a reading of about 0.5 ohms on the 200 ohm scale, but don't worry if it varies a little. As you can see, both the thermostats on this heater have checked out OK. But if there is no reading from either one of them, then replace both stats. Just for the purpose of this video, I'll be continuing as if one of the stats has tripped. In all but a few cases, the thermostat with a coloured spot on is the one-shot thermostat, and this is the usual one which trips, because it acts as a fuse preventing the heater from overheating if the cycling thermostat terminals get fused together. On this tumble dryer, the cycling thermostat has no markings. It opens at 106 degrees C. It closes at 86 degrees C. And the one shot or safety stat has a blue spot and opens at 150 degrees C, preventing the heater from getting any hotter. The disc on a good thermostat is domed but becomes inverted when tripped. The cycling stat will reset itself, but the one shot stat will not. So it is possible to tell if the one-shot stat has tripped just by looking at it, which is not the case with the cycling thermostat. Don't touch the disc section of these one-shot thermostats or you could trip it inadvertently and render it useless. I'll emphasise again what I said earlier, that both thermostats must be replaced as a pair. These thermostats come in a kit. Some kits just have two thermostats in, while others contain a section of wire as well as cable connectors. They cover a large range of makes and models and vary in their temperature range, which is identified by the different coloured spots. Each colour denotes a different temperature level that the thermostats operate at, so it's important to get the correct cut-out kit for your tumble dryer. Before replacing the bearing dust cover, just check that the bronze strip is making good contact with the drum shaft, because this is the only method by which the inner drum is earthed, and while you have the cover off, it's a good opportunity to check it. Make sure all the wires will be well within the heater cover when it's replaced, or they could get trapped and cause a short circuit. The following pictures are of different thermostats which fit in a number of makes and models within the same ranges. That is to say, they're basically the same machines within each given group, but have a few cosmetic alterations according to which manufacturer's name is on the cabinet, and there are a number of different manufacturers and far too many models to list here. The blue spot kit is fitted on 5 kg vented tumble dryers from 1998, whilst the kit containing a red spot and a purple spot thermostat is fitted on 5 and 6 kg vented tumble dryers with a full metal door, which were produced after August 1996. The red spot kit is fitted to 6 kg condenser tumble dryers up until April 1999, and the green spot kit is fitted to 6 kg condenser tumble dryers after May 1999. The two thermostats that have upright facing tags are fitted to 3 and 5 kg tumble dryers. The 5 kg tumble dryer has one-shot thermostat on the right hand side of the appliance as viewed from the back, and the tags on this thermostat are in line with its screw holes. On behalf of Selfix UK, we'd like to thank you for watching this video and hope you found it interesting. Goodbye.